channel. It is me, Dejanay. Here is Desire Dejanay on YouTube. First and foremost, I want to thank you for either tuning in if this is your first time or coming back to check me out if you guys have already subscribed. In this video, I will be letting you know a little bit more about me. It is my get to know me video. I decided to go ahead and just let you know. Maybe me telling you about me will help you warm up to me, and I'm hoping so. So if there's anything that you would like to see, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment below, or you can also go ahead and leave comments or DM me on Instagram or Snapchat. I am active there as well. But thank you once again for tuning in. We're gonna go ahead and get to the video. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the question. First question, how old am I? I am freshly 24, just turned 24 this past Monday, February 12th. 2 days before Valentine's Day. Double whammy because I get to celebrate my birthday and then get some special love and prizes 2 days later. But it works out because I end up celebrating the whole week for my birthday. Win-win, extra plus. Question number 2. Where was I born? I was born in Bellflower, California, and out of Bellflower Memorial Center, but raised in Carson. You know a little bit about everywhere. When you live in California, it's hard just to stay in one place and stick to that one place. It's so beautiful, you have to go everywhere else and see what every other place has to offer. Alright, question number 3 is my parents' birthplace. How did we end up in California? My dad is originally from West Virginia, and my mom is originally from North Carolina. My dad's mother ended up moving him and his brothers and sisters to California, half of them. And then the same happened with my mom. She ended up moving to California. Years later, they ended up meeting each other from a mutual friend. And that's how I came about. Question number 4 is, how many siblings do I have? How many brothers and or sisters do I have? I have too many to count on 2 hands, is what I'm going to tell you. And that might be all that I tell you. Don't worry your heads about it. Alright. On to the 5th question is, what schools did I go to? I went to Leawood Elementary School, and that was kindergarten through like the 2nd week of 2nd grade. Up and enrolled to a magnet school, South Shores Magnet Elementary, woot woot, San Pedro, California. I love that elementary school. It was just cool. It was fun. It is where I get my artistic side from. Then when it comes to middle school, I went to 2 middle schools. I went to Curtis Glen Middle School in 6th grade in Carson, California, Del Amo, California. And then 7th grade, moved out to Lancaster, California, and went to what was the name of that school? My first time going to a different school outside of my city limits, so it was cool getting to know people from that area. And then went back to Curtis Middle School 8th grade, and there it was cool just coming back and everyone still welcoming you, letting you know that they missed you, want to know where you were. Who doesn't love to be loved? I know I definitely love to be loved. And then high school, I went to one high school. I've always had either 1 or 2 siblings that were either in a grade with me or below me to go to school with, and it was my first time going to school alone. Afraid of having to step out of my comfort zone, becoming an individual. The college that was on Harbor Teachers Prep's high school campus was actually Harbor College, Harbor Community College. So I ended up staying at Harbor College for another year. I got my associates in social and behavioral sciences, and then moved to North Carolina, where I am now. We're on to question number 6, and that is, what is my favorite color? And a lot of people would assume because I wear a lot of pink and I like being around a lot of pink, it's my favorite color. It once was when I was a little girl. Like most of the girls, their favorite color is pink. But my main reason for it being my favorite color is because my mom saw that that was a good color on me. And she was like, it doesn't have to be your favorite color, but we know that that is your color. No matter what, pink is the way to go if you're trying to look good or feel good. But my favorite color is actually turquoise. I'm through different colors. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have when you're figuring yourself out. But like I said, pink is my go-to. Pink, velvet, anything velvet. It doesn't even care what the color is. Velvet, favorite. That's my favorite material. That wasn't the question, but I just had to touch upon it because I'm seeing my shirt right now and I'm just so in love. But on to question number 7. This question is cats or dogs? Dogs. I love them both. Now dogs. Doggies. I love me some doggies. Oh my gosh. Whenever my parent would ask what pet I would want, it was always a dog over a cat. And now that I think about it, you know, we've definitely always had cats or dogs or some kind of animal in my mom's house. This dog that I have now, and I'm hoping, not hoping that's the last dog that I own, my Sky Baby. When we saw her, me and my boyfriend knew that we wanted a husky, so we just assumed she was a husky. And then they tell us she's a mix and she's gonna stay small, and we got even more excited. And as soon as I saw her, I just knew she was gonna fall in love with me, and she fall in love with daddy. She is a daddy's girl. Just like I was a daddy's girl, she's a daddy's girl. So I'm ready to get a boy because I want the boy to be a mama's boy. Yeah, he's my stinker. Sky Baby, say hey. I hate to just pick and choose, but dogs over cats. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to question number 8. And question 8 is, what hobbies do I have? This is my hobby. This here, making these videos for you. We go on nature walks. I mean, this is what you can consider a hobby, I guess. It's traveling, work out in the gym 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. One big hobby is doing my hair. I love doing my hair. I've been natural for, I'd say, 4 years. One thing I will say about my hair is it goes to being naturally curly. It's as big as this frame here, if not bigger. So that's why this has become a hobby, because it just takes so much of your time. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move on to question number 9. And that question is, what is your favorite food and drink? And I love food. So when I say my favorite, it's not because I don't like anything else. It's because this one food, no matter what mood I'm in, you're gonna solve my problem. You know, all my troubles are gonna go away. They're gonna disappear. It is a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger and some fresh french fries. Preferably a number 5 or 6. An ultimate bacon cheeseburger or just an ultimate cheeseburger from Jack in the Box. It has been my favorite since the first time I had Jack in the Box, and I was a youngin'. I remember my dad picked me up from my mom's house. He was not surprised that I ate the whole cheeseburger and fries and drank the whole drink. He wasn't surprised. He was proud. He was proud of his daughter. And then my favorite drink, of course, is a lemonade with a Sprite. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to question 10. What is my favorite dessert? Favorite dessert is cheesecake. It is cheesecake. I don't care if it's plain. I don't care if you got the strawberry drizzle. I don't care if it's chocolate. I don't care if it's caramel. My godmother, she used to buy me two full cheesecakes from the Cheesecake Factory for my birthday. Cheesecake's the way to go, guys. Cheesecake. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to number 11. The number 11 question is, what sports have I played? I did dance until I was in 6th grade, and then our dance studio closed, and it was called Stage Workshop, which is a little dance in Compton, California. I was in drill team when we went to Lancaster my 7th grade year. I cheered a little bit. I cheered for our church, Glory Christian Fellowship International. My sister was on the church basketball team, so we were cheering for her. My brother played football when we were younger in Pop Warner, and to be honest, I played with him a little bit and his friends. Today, I still remember everything as far as my dance routines and my drill team steps, cheerleading moves, learning how to throw a football again, because I got some weird shaped hands if you haven't noticed. Like my ring and pinky are the same size just about, so when it comes to holding anything, it's a struggle. As you can see, it's a struggle. So I'm learning that. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed recording it for you. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Snapchat. All of that is left below in my description box. But yeah, thank you